So for number 24, we're working on implicit differentiation. Just as a reminder, when we derive something with the x, it's normal basically. But when I derive something with the y, what do I need at the end? dy over dx. So the derivative of the cosine is negative sine, and you keep the inside as it is. And when I derive the inside, derivative of 1x is 1. And then the derivative of negative y is negative 1, and I need dy over dx. And on the right side of the equation, we have a product rule. So first derivative is 1. Keep the second one, plus, keep the first, and the derivative of e to the x is e to the x. And then I'll write from there. So we need to go ahead and distribute all of this guy right here into the, the parentheses. So when I do, we get the following. We get negative sine of x minus y, because it's times 1. And then on the next one, we have negative times a negative, so it's going to be plus sine of x minus y, then dy over dx. And then we get e to the x plus x times e to the x. Since our goal is to make dy over dx by itself, which is on the left side, we're going to subtract all of this and divide it by the coefficient in front. So when I do, we get dy over dx is equal to, let's leave the right side as it is. Oh, it's not just x, it's e to the x. So we have e to the x plus x times e to the x. And we're going to add this guy, plus sine of the x minus y, all over the coefficient in front of the dy over dx, which is sine of x minus y. And we're done. Okay, questions on this one? We're good? All right, 25 is going to take a lot of space. So, y'all can probably fit it, I just can't. All right, what is the derivative of y fifth? 5y to the fourth, and what do I need at the end? dy over dx. This gets quite tedious, because too many things. And then our next one we have 3, or plus. The derivative of e to the whatever is always that value. And then we have to derive the power. And in my power, we have a product rule. So x becomes 1. We keep the second piece. Plus, keep the first. The second piece, again, is going to be 1 dy over dx. Is everyone good with that? Yeah? And then we get plus, and I see another product rule. So 3, not 3. What was the derivative of that one? 6x. So I need, 6x, and then we keep the second piece, plus keep the first, and derive the next, which is going to be 2y, and then dy over dx. I'm like running out of room already. Oh my gosh. Talent right here. 5x to the power of 4 is how many? 20x to the power of 3. And then on the other side, the constant is going to be 0. So what we need to do after this is distribute 3e(xy) to each component. So let's go ahead and combine like terms real quick. Are there any others that I want to combine? Oh, I think I'm going to go also multiply 3 times 2. Okay. Good luck writing. What's that? Over this way. How's that? Better? Mm-hmm. So we have 3 EXY. Y to the 4. I can't copy, huh? That's a point. Was that Macy? She's on a roll. Roll with all the bonuses, right? Just ask for it. And then we have plus 3 exy times x times dy over dx. Then I have plus 6xy squared plus 6x squared y dy over dx plus 20x cubed. And then I'm going to do one go after this. I want to fucking zoom out. No, I can't. Dang it. So what we want to do is make dy over dx by itself. And am I missing another one? Yes. So we're going to take the opposite operation on the ones that are standing alone without the dy over dx. So let's do that part first. So that's standing alone, right? This one without dy over dx. So we are going to subtract that piece. That one's not standing alone. It's got dy over dx next to it. That's a standalone. So minus 6xy squared. And then I have 20x cubed by subtracting. And all the coefficients in front of the dy over the dx, we're going to write out on the bottom. That was a lot of reminders. Okay, what was the next one? 26. Okay, once you have all this down, go ahead and give me a thumbs up so I know you're ready. Ready? Good? Okay? All right. I'm going to get rid of this. That was number 25. Okay, on number 26, we're looking at u substitution. Let's go ahead and circle the inside of the parentheses and let u equal that piece. And then when I derive, we get du is equal to, what is the derivative of natural log of x? 1 over x. And then that was dx. The fact that the x is already on the bottom, that is understood 1 over x and dx. So everything is satisfied. So I have the integral. And when I substitute in, we get u squared du. And let's go ahead and change our bound while we're at it. So we initially had e and 1. So when I plug that into this guy right here, that's going to be 1 plus natural log of e. Isn't natural log of e basically 1? So that's going to be 2. What about when I plug in 1 into 1 plus natural log of x? That's going to be 1. And we know that because natural log of 1 is 0. Very good. So now that I have the new bounds, I don't have to plug it back in terms of the x's. So let's do a quick practice on this. We have 1 over. Who is my new power? 3. U cubed. And do I need plus c when the bounds are given? Nope. And let's plug it in. We have 1/3 is already outside. So go ahead and open your parentheses. When I plug in the 2, we get 2 cubed minus 1 cubed. Oh, parentheses. What would that give us? 7 is going to be all on the inside, and we have that divided by 3 on the outside, so 7 over 3 is our final answer. Okay, questions on that one? We all set? Okay. For number 29, what do I need to do to the f prime to make it f of x? Do I derive or do I integrate? We integrate. So I'm going to go to integrate. And when I do, I get y is equal to. I want to go ahead and bring the 1/2 to the outside. And when I integrate the inside, e to the x is basically e to the x. And then we have minus e to the negative x times what? -1. And then I need plus c. Let's see about simplifying this number real quick. Y is 1/2. And then I see e to the x. And why not go ahead and put plus on that one? Is everyone good with that plus sign? Yes? E to the negative x plus c. So now I can plug in. When x equals 0, y is equal to 0. So we have 0 is equal to 1/2 times e to the 0 plus e to the 0 plus c. What is all this going to give us? 2. So 0 is equal to 1/2 times 2 plus c. So who is my c then? -1. So when I rewrite our final equation, somewhere to my left, I'm going to put it over here. I have y is equal to 1/2 times e to the x plus e to the -x, and then -1. And that is our final.